Good afternoon, everybody, teachers and friends. Welcome to our group Sound of Happy Day. Group members. Hello, my name is Pammy. My name is Miu. My name is Sabina. My name is Pao. My name is Pran. What are our products? 1. Drum. 2. Filterboard instrument. 3. Shaker. 4. Cup instrument. 5. Knock instrument. Objective: to build a teamwork in our PBL group, to create ability in planning and coordination with our team, to solve problems and find a way to think out of the box. Related subject: art, craft and painting. English, to do this presentation. Computer, PowerPoint. Science, sound. Material, this is our material. Procedure: first we did the maracas. Let's see how we do it. First, we use a bottle and we put the beans in the bottle. Next, we decorate the bottle and spray it. And finally, we finish this instrument. Next, we do drums. Let's see how we do it. We use 4 bottle and we tape it. And next, we check the sound of each bottle. Some has short sound, some has deep sound. We finish checking the sound of each bottle. Finally, we decorate the instrument. Next, we do the filterboard instrument. First, we cut the filterboard into 2 pieces. Then we decorate by sticking a tape on the edge of the filterboard, and we put the bottom into smiley face. Then we check the sound of the filterboard instrument. Next, we are doing the cup cap instrument. First, we cut curtain into pieces and use a bottle cap, stick it in the curtain. Then we decorate by spray and finish. Finally, we check the sound of the bottom of the cup cap instrument. Finally, we do knock instrument. Let's see how we do it. First, we put the water inside the bottle. Next, we check the sound by take the bottle and lock it with the table. Last, we decorate the bottle by spray. Conclusion: this project made our team understand about the sound and how to make DIY instruments. This job made us know that each object can make different sounds and every sound can create the different rhythms. So you can see that every sound and rhythms can make the different feelings. And finally, we think this project helped us to create ability in solving problems in our team. Obstacle 1. Our instrument didn't have any sound, so we decided to make it again, but it took for a long time. 2. Me and Mir were doing PowerPoint. Suddenly, everything would appear. 3. Sometimes we forgot the materials that was important. 4. Sometimes everybody would disagree with each other and start to argue. Finally, everybody will agree with each other.